Is it on? Turn this over. Okay, we're gonna do some legs. Date is 16th of December. Jason's gonna do some legs. Anything you want to say?
I'm looking forward to tomorrow.
I'm looking forward to tomorrow too. I'm not working out with him. I'm not working out all the day. I'm taking it easy, very easy.
Me too. Definitely me too.
Well, you're not working out tomorrow though. He's gonna be in the background of the video. My wife's filming right now.
I thought I was gonna be in a minute with him.
Yeah, but not a workout. He's just gonna shoot the shit with you.
Yeah, shoot the shit with me.
Okay. Babe, can you warm up real quick? I just gotta take this phone call real quick. Give me about 5 minutes. Sorry,
All right.
Jason's gonna be doing
scoot
legs,
back.
so make him do some legs.
Do 20 body squats. Then you're gonna do 20 alternating lunges.
Get this first.
Sit on your heels. All the weight should be in your heels. Don't let that knee go over your front toe. Remember, keep your leg parallel.
Yeah, right there. Boom. Pretty close.
Keep it up. Should be 10 each leg.
That's 5 each. I lost a lot of weight.
That's good.
I weigh only 190 now. It's 220.
Good.
And now what do you want me to do?
Okay, now I want you to do 10 jump squats. Remember, we squat and punch at the bottom and punch at the top.
10.
What's going on here?
We're working out.
Where's
This is Jason.
Jason who?
Jason Genova.
Jason, what are you doing? My name's Cletus. Pleasure to meet you. You look familiar.
Yeah.
Where do I know you from?
The YouTube?
What kind of you do like those workout videos and stuff, right?
Yeah.
Like, what's your? So what do you guys do? I was just doing a little jog walk, trying to get my thighs big and strong, you know.
Yeah.
And I saw all this, and I'm like, what the hell is going on?
Well, here.
Are you working out?
Yeah, I'm working out.
Can I watch?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you do a set for me?
Yeah.
That's it, boy. That's it.
Here, you can hold this and record him.
No, not yet. Let me watch him. Can I spot you? Yeah, good. Good, nice and deep like. That's it, boy. Get up in there nice and deep like, right there. Don't stop, keep going. I'm gonna try a set after that if I could. Is that alright?
Yeah.
Would you remember my name?
Yeah.
What's my name?
I forgot.
Cletus! Come on now! You can't forget Cletus!
Cletus.
It's nice. It's a pleasure to meet you, Jason.
Pleasure to meet
I've
you.
been watching your videos here and there, and I'm like, that boy is going to he's going to succeed.
Yeah.
He's going to succeed, god dang it.
Yeah.
Dang, nabbit, good job, boy. Okay, that's it. Good job. So you want to show me how to do the right form?
Yeah.
Like this?
No.
Yeah.
Tell him what to do,
You know
Jason.
what to do, boy. I know what to do. Alright, right here?
No.
No?
Gotta get on the back of your
Want me to back up on you like that?
No.
No? A little closer? You want to spot me? You want to spot me? You want to see some spot? You want to spot me? Huh? Yeah. That's not good. Oh, snap.
Cletus, you need to be careful in here.
Cletus, you gotta be really careful.
Cletus don't know
But
what to do.
Cletus, I'm gonna let you record him. I gotta go teach
No,
a boot camp.
no.
Come here.
Not yet. Give me 2 more minutes, Cletus.
I gotta go.
Cletus, what are we doing here today? Can I work out with you?
Yeah.
Are you surprised to see a fan?
It's a surprise.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Cool.
It works.
Cool. All right. Well, you tell me. I mean, I'm trying to work on this area right here. You want to see? Feel it. Feel it.
It's pretty hard.
It sure is pretty damn hard. Let me see yours. Whoa, Holy macaroni.
Holy
Jesus, sweet
big
Jesus.
legs.
That's it, that's it. When I get excited, I like to play with my belly button. Right here, see that?
Yeah.
Yours just got a little more brown sugar on top, right?
Definitely more brown.
Let me see your brown sugar. Oh yeah, you got a little more brown. Let me look at that brown sugar right there. Man, I sure like to lick that off with some honey. Woo! All right, let's put some weight on there. What are you gonna put on?
We're gonna put 135.
135? That's a lot of weight, right?
Yeah, it's okay weight.
Yeah?
It's a warm up.
Huh. Ridiculous. My glasses keep on messing up on me. I used to see like a bird, Jason, and then I lost my eyesight when my woman left me.
Oh boy.
I know.
Oh boy.
And that was over 5 years ago.
Oh boy.
I don't know what to do. I don't know what to think. You shit, boy. Good job. Good deep squats.
As deep as you can go.
Oh, damn, son. That's a definition of ass to grass.
Yep.
You remember my name?
Cletus.
Cletus. Oh, you're so sexy, Cletus. We should hang out sometime, man. Like, I like to hit up the Ave. I put my cowboy boots on and I really have a good time, you know?
Absolutely.
What do you like to do for fun?
Go dance with females.
Yeah, you get wild?
Yeah, wild.
What do you like to do?
Dance on 'em.
Show me, show me how to dance. Like, I'm dancing in the club. I'm having a good time. I'm not.
Yeah, dancing.
How are you dancing?
I dance like this.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So you're all about the hanky-panky.
The hanky
The
panky.
hanky-panky.
Yeah.
Well, that's not a bad thing to have, man. Okay, let's talk more about this iron. Should we go up or go drop down or?
We're gonna go up. We're not done yet.
Man, we're not done yet. What are you gonna go up to? Like $1.55 or something?
$1.85.
Holy Jiminy Crickets. Man, son, you got some legs like a damn horse.
Yeah, definitely.
Can you buck like a horse?
Yeah, I can, Cletus.
Man. God dang, son.
I'm a freak.
You are a freak. These your keys?
Yeah, those are
World
my
Gym?
keys.
You go to that World Gym up there, right?
Yeah.
Dude, that's a good hardcore place.
Yeah,
A lot of good time in the locker room there, huh?
Yep.
A lot of good time in those locker rooms. I love the saunas and the showers, the hot, sweaty, the soap and the steam out rising off a young man's buttocks. It's amazing. Sure is absolutely amazing. I don't really know much about the squat thing, but aren't your feet a little close? I don't know. You're the celebrity and all, but I'm just a little innocent bystander. I got you. Good job.
Thanks, Cletus.
You're welcome. You're welcome. 10?
Yeah, I get
10? All right. What is that, like a clock thing right there?
Yeah.
Is this your place? Is this your house?
No, this is not my house.
Whose is this? This is got a lot of equipment.
Yeah.
Whose place is this in?
Somebody's.
Somebody who?
Somebody I know.
Who's that?
Don't want to say.
Why?
Because he's here right now.
Oh, you did know you. I was just trying to see how long I could go with it. Oh, damn it, Jason. You knew the whole time, didn't you?
Yeah.
Well, you had me worried. You had me worried.
I'm not that stupid.
All right. Well, damn it. Thought I had him, guys. That would have been some epic footage if you really didn't know.
Epic footage.
Well, let me go change out of this gay clothes. Do a set. I'll be right back.
That was hilarious.
Damn it!
What's up? Hey.
What are you doing? Lunches?
Yeah, I was just...
Alright, let's get serious. I thought I had you.
You thought you had it.
I did.
Don't fool
You know
Jason.
the problem is? Here's the freaking problem. I can't find my real mullet wig. That stupid thing gave it up, right? If you didn't see my bald head, I would have had you.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Probably.
Yeah.
Damn it.
Hey, this is announced tomorrow so they believe us.
Announce what?
Tomorrow, Vitaly and Ronnie.
I already know.
Shout
We
out.
gotta back it up to 8.
Yeah.
8:30.
8:30.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be in a minute and two with them. That's gonna be freaking sickening.
At least. I
Yeah.
can probably get you more with Vitaly. He owes me.
All right, good. And Ronnie, I'll get a minute or two, right?
Yeah, you should be able to get at least a minute with him. I gotta talk to him. I don't see why you have a problem with it. As long as I mention his brand on your channel, that's pretty good for him, right?
Yep.
You guys probably didn't even know he carried a brand. His own line. All right. What are we going for here? 10 reps?
Yeah.
Put your feet a little bit wider though this time. All right, let's go. Good. Good, Jason.
Three more.
That's 4. I thought we said we were doing 10.
I'm tired.
Oh,
Freaking
Jesus,
tired. My
here
legs
we
are burning.
go.
All those sets.
All the warm-up sets you did?
I did 5 sets total.
I mean, I've got weak leg Jason, and I can beat that. You look at your legs. How can my
I was in
little
a car
chicken
accident.
legs?
I was in a car accident.
When?
July.
July? That sounds like a damn lie.
No, I really was. You can ask my mom. It really happened. I used to have
In
a-
July?
July. It's of a Honda.
And what did that do to you, Jason?
Hurt my back a little bit.
And so I thought your legs were hurting. That's why you couldn't squat.
No, my back is.
Oh, now you're back.
It's
See, Jason,
my-
when you say stuff like that and you get your shaky voice, I know I can't believe you.
No, it's true. You
No,
can
it's
ask
not
my
true.
mom.
You're lying to me.
You can ask my mom.
So you're telling me that you can deadlift. What do we do in the gym that one day? 315 for reps, but you can't squat
no, it's
205.
sometimes my back bothers me a little
But
bit.
that wasn't your back.
And it just bothers me some certain things.
I'm gonna get a lie detector test for you, Jason. And
No.
we're gonna.
You can ask my mom
You're gonna dig
to
deep.
prove it. She'll tell you I was not.
Yeah, but you told me you couldn't do 205 for more than 5 reps because your legs were burning. That's what you told me, right? That's what you told the camera. Because these guys know. Trust
No,
me, they
it's
know
true.
everything.
My back was in a car accident. Really.
I know your back was in a car accident. I blew up my back 2 weeks ago at World's Gym, and I can still squat. Not a lot, but I can squat.
I'm gonna go reps. I just wanted quality, not
Well, then I want 15 reps of this. Right?
If I do 135, I'll get more than 15.
Well, I'd hope so. You want to get 30. There's no way.
I can try. You want me to try?
No, let's go a little bit heavier first. All right, at least get 8 with this, Jason. It's 185.
Yeah, at least get 8.
Come on. Give us some intensity. Give the viewers what they want to see. You working hard, you busting your ass.
Well, I go all the way down. I don't cheat.
You do go almost too low, I'd have to say. Wider, a little wider, just a little bit. Good. 6 more. We're going for 10. 5. It's gonna hurt. 4. Come on. I want a good leg day out of you. 3 more. 2 more. Let's go, Jason. 1 more. Much better set. Much better set. Much more intensity. Whew. We'll make a video after this and we'll address what you want to say, okay? We'll save it for that. Because I know you want to get it off your big chest, your big hairy chest. When are we going to shave your... we need to get like an Asian girl to come shave you or something. Wait. Did you shave your neck?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Who did it?
Supercuts.
They shaved your back.
Yeah.
Your whole back.
Not the whole thing. Part of it.
They went down far, didn't they?
Yeah.
Did they get the chest too?
Yeah.
You get the armpits?
Yeah.
They really did get your chest?
No, they didn't.
Oh. So here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna do 30 reps with 135, and you got another minute to recover. Okay?
How many?
Another minute. Okay. No, you're not gonna be able to do 30, but I really think you could probably do 20. I'd hope at least 20, right?
Yeah.
Because that is baby weight. That Cletus could handle that weight. You think I should go to World's Gym in that outfit?
Yeah, that'd be freaking hilarious.
I should, shouldn't I? I was going to give you 40 more seconds of rest, but I guess you're a freak. You don't need it. I bet he's going to get to 12 and be like, I'm tired. I don't want to do anymore. 7 reps. I'm on him today.
Oh,
if you
my
know.
God.
Oh, God. Oh, come on.
Make it look real good for the last reps.
So you just did a set that was supposed to be 30, 10 reps, 1/3.
Pass out.
Oh, it's one of those days then, Jason. It's one of those days, huh?
One of those days, yep.
You have some very lackluster days. Why is this? I'll tell you right now, do you think Ronnie Coleman had lackluster days when he was training to be Mr. Olympic?
Yeah, he didn't have them.
Oh, he did?
When he had injuries.
So you don't have an injury right now? You can't milk this back injury your whole career, right?
No.
No, so what's your excuse then right now?
Just not feeling comfortable, man.
What do you need to do to feel comfortable? You want me to get my outfit back on?
No.
Do you want me to dress up like Cletus again?
No.
I've got another wig out there. I got an old grandma wig.
No.
When I was a Droopers girl for Halloween. An old Hooters girl with saggy tits.
What do you want me to do now?
I want you to do that again for 15, but I want you to rest another minute. Get some water. Where's your water?
I don't have any.
You don't have any. Let's go in the house and get some. Come on.
From you.
Take shoes off. Shoes off. Or just stay right. Come on in. We got Roomba running. And it's Luba. Vacuum in. We're so lazy. We got the vacuum, the self vacuum.
So is Ronnie gonna give me a shout out tomorrow? One shout out?
Yeah.
And Vitaly too, so hope I can be in Vitaly like 3 or 4 minutes. That'd be sweet.
I can make that happen.
Good. But Ronnie, I want like a minute and a half saying, what's your goals, Jason, blah, blah, blah.
I can do that.
Yeah.
I think I can.
Do a little interview with me.
I'm gonna probably go out to eat with him after I pull your truck, but that's where he loves to eat apparently after when he gets in Florida. Yeah.
Oh my God.
You gotta step it up, Jason. This is, I mean, I didn't ask you to come over for a half-ass workout, right? I didn't say at one point, Jason, come over so you can half-ass it. Did I? So let's step it up. Let's put socks on.
I don't have socks. My socks are...
That explains the odor coming from those feet. Your right one's not even on all the way, Jason.
I don't have a lot of footage to film.
Okay, let's go. What do you mean you don't have a lot of footage? We're gonna make this 2 parts. You're not gonna just do 5 sets of squat and call it a leg workout, right? $15 reps, Jason, nothing less. This is 135 freaking pounds. Come on. Five more. I'm counting today. I'm being good about it today.
Two after.
No, 4 more. 15. 3 more. 2 more. 1 more. Good. You want to see if your dips have improved? Go set them up. I'm not even making you superset today. I'm being very nice. We're trying to save that strength. All right, buddy. Let's see if you've improved any on the dips, though. Do you know what boot camp is tonight, Jason?
What?
Yoga.
Ooh.
I'm not doing it though because I gotta rest. Go down a little bit more. Not bad. You're spent, man. I do want you doing 1 more set of this for 10.
I don't know why I'm so
Why are you so gassed? I don't get it.
I don't know.
Did Cletus get you all worked up?
Yeah.
No? Cletus does that. Wait, rest another second. At this rate, you're not going to get 10. Start screaming. Get crazy with it, Jason. We're going to cut right here. We're going to go into part 2 right now. We're going to cut.